I'll do a kind of practical video today. I'm going to talk about how I prepare my field notes. So let's go. My name is Abhishek. I make videos about finding our center, our attention, getting access and holding on to our attention, and thus living a higher quality life. And one of the ways I do that is through journaling and reading, and the field notes, which are these little notebooks, are vital in that because I can keep these with me in my back pocket and have something to write on if I'm out and about and I'm not depending on the phone and so on. And it's really reducing dependence on phone, which has easy access to social media, and then the moment you pick up your phone to write a note and then you suddenly want to Google something and next thing you know you're on an infinite scroll. And I'm overly simplifying this, but that's really what we're trying to avoid. So what I have here is my field notes box where I keep my old journals. This is the latest one that I use. I just stick a pen in it, and my only need, I like a capped pen in this case, and my only need is that I be able to change the refill. But you know, they get pretty weathered over time, but this is not as weathered as you can see. And I have traveled with this before. We did go on vacation. I wrote down stuff while we were out on vacation. I took this to Moab last year and so on. All right, so this is over. I'm going to make a new one, and what I do with the old ones is I archive them in this box. And in this box, as you can kind of see, all my old journals are here. And I will, you know, one of the reasons I use the cheaper field notes because, you know, they're just more disposable and rough. But you can see they start kind of fraying at the edges here the more you use them. And some of the ones that I've, you know, severely used in the past, you can see they're really crumbled and you know, started to tear. And they're fine inside, but they do start wearing down quite a bit. So what I started doing a few, I guess from this journal on, is I started putting some tape around the spine to protect it, and then I just pulled out some contact paper and started wrapping them in contact paper, which I think did a great job. So this is my first one that I did, and then this is the one that I'm archiving now. So I did that with contact paper. So what I want to do today is show you how I apply contact paper to the back of my field notes and really make it significantly more durable. Now, Field Notes does sell some sheets, or I guess some notebooks that are, you know, I think weatherproofed or something, and those are great. You can buy those if you don't want to go through this process, but it's really easy. I have a roll of contact paper. Really, this is just a clear contact paper. Sometimes I have paperbacks that I'm reading and I'm really underlining and stuff, and I'll go and wrap them in contact paper. That way they stay pretty sturdy for years. I think my father-in-law has some that he's had for decades that have not shown much wear. But with field notes, they work really well. Now, as you can see, I haven't filled these out, which I will after the video. I don't want to put my information here on video. But anyway, I just, you know, show you this very quick. So I've already cut out a piece of contact paper here, and I folded it in half, and basically what I do is I lay the contact paper out and it doesn't have to be exact, but I kind of find a rectangle that kind of matches this, so it needs to extend maybe half an inch on the top and bottom, half an inch on the side. The same thing, flip it over, half an inch top and bottom, half an inch on the side. This one is just going to bother me. I'm just going to cut this a little bit so it's a little more straight. So bear with me. That's just me being a little too particular, but there you go. So the hardest part of this is to freaking find the edge. So I will fast forward this if this takes far too long, but it shouldn't. It's fairly easy, and I say that I may have to eat my words. Any corner does work. Well, let's try another. think we have it. There we go. All right. Whew. This is the hardest part. The hardest part is done. So what I do is this. I will peel it back half to the halfway point here. All right, and then I'm going to lay my field notes in. Just eyeball it, center it as best as I can. And just press it down so it's nice and pressed. There we go. And then I do two things. I'm going to cut these corners off so you can see, because they're going to need to fold in here. Stick this off. Don't want these sticking to my desk. And the other thing that I'll do is I'll cut a little V notch kind of right by the spine, and you'll see kind of what it does later, but it just kind of prevents me from having to shove it down between the spine. I'll show you in a minute. So I'll wrap it over so you can see. And if you have a ruler or something, it's a good one to do, but I just use my finger and just press it in. I try to be somewhat careful to not put air bubbles on it, but that's it. And try to make sure you don't end up taping this shut yourself. Done with this. Cut the corner. Cut the corner. They always fall the sticky side down. And then I'm going to cut, as you can see, just this corner here. That just helps me fold it over without having to stuff it, between the cover and the pages is all. And then, yeah, this is almost in real time as you watch me do this, and it doesn't take very long. Did I lose one? No, we're good. And that's really it. You can kind of write on this contact paper too, so I know that I'm kind of folding over some of this area, but I've been able to write on it pretty easily. And then you just fold over the edges. I think they do a pretty decent job. And just a little bit of this just has a pretty significant effect in making sure the field notes notebook lasts a very long time. Believe it or not, I use this ruled edge quite a bit, and you can see I'm a little off here, but that's okay. It's not about being exact, it's about being it's about just protecting it as best as you can, and then we're good to go. And the point is to really use it. So now it is durable. I'm going to stick my pen in here and just stick it in my pocket. And that is it. I shove it in my pocket, in the back pocket. I just sit with it. Whatever needs to happen. This holds up pretty well, as you saw the other one. Just a few creases, and that's it. So that's what I do. That's how I protect my field notes. This will last me a while. It's a little bit protected from water from the outside, but obviously the pages are not as protected, but that's okay. This is a bit of a transient notepad anyway. It's just meant for a very just immediate use. And that's it. So if you use field notes, if you get tired of having to put them in covers because they make them bulky, you want to be able to just shove them in your pocket and move on with the day, this is a really easy hack for you to do that. I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next one.